Most people think creating an AI short film means using 5 different tools, writing complicated prompts, and spending hours fixing scenes. But what if you could create an entire cinematic short film just by chatting with an AI agent? Take a look at these shots. They look like scenes straight out of a blockbuster movie. The characters stay consistent, the story flows naturally, the voices match throughout the film, and the whole production feels like it was made by a small professional creative team. Now, here's the interesting part. Everything you're seeing was created inside a single AI platform using just one prompt. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how I made this short film step by step using Flova AI, from generating the story idea all the way to exporting the final movie. Flova AI is a creative AI agent that helps you create complete visual stories through simple conversations, instead of switching between different tools for scripts, images, videos, music, and voiceovers. Everything happens in one place. What makes Flova different is that it's a true conversational AI agent. You can chat with it just like a creative partner, give instructions naturally, ask questions, and even brainstorm ideas whenever you're stuck. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Once you enter Flova AI, you'll see several creative options, including script-driven video, story-driven video, reference to video, music video, product commercial, and more. For this short film, I'm choosing story-driven video. Next, all I need to do is give the agent a simple idea. For this example, I want the agent to generate story ideas for me, so I use this prompt. Give me 3 realistic cinematic short movie ideas, maximum 2 minutes long, about a father protecting his young daughter from dangerous criminals in a city during the daytime. One thing I really like about Flova Agent is that it's not just a production tool. It's also great for brainstorming ideas when you're not sure what story to create. In fact, if you don't know what type of film, visual style, or story direction to use, you can simply ask Flova for suggestions and let it help you develop the concept. Now, before generating the project, you can choose which models you want to use for image generation, video generation, music creation, and voice generation. Flova gives you access to more than 20 leading AI models across different categories, allowing you to mix and match the best tools for your project. Or if you prefer, you can let the AI choose the best models automatically. Once you're ready, click Generate. Now the AI agent starts working on the project. First, it creates 3 different story concepts for you to choose from. You can review all of them and pick your favorite. Of course, if you already have a story idea in mind, you can simply give it directly to the agent. After that, the agent explains exactly how it plans to create the film. This includes the production workflow and the AI models it will use to achieve the best results. Next, it gives you several options for how you'd like to continue. For this project, I selected Write the script first for my review. This is an important step because it allows you to review everything before the AI starts generating visuals. A few moments later, the agent creates a complete script, including scene-by-scene breakdowns and detailed descriptions of what happens in every shot. Once again, you'll be given several options. Here I selected "The script looks good, start production." Now the real production process begins. The agent starts creating the video specifications, storyboard, character assets, location assets, and all the media needed for the film. You can even use Flova's filters to review each stage of production and see exactly what's happening behind the scenes. You can also directly edit storyboard text, organize assets, and customize your workspace layout based on the way you prefer to work. Once everything is ready, the agent asks another important question. How should the character voices be handled? This step is important because keeping character voices consistent throughout the film helps make the final result feel more realistic. For this project, I selected Extract voices from generated video samples. At this stage, the agent creates a short Seedance 2.0 speaking clip for each character. It then extracts those voices and uses them as voice anchors throughout the entire production. As a result, voice consistency improves, and the lip sync quality becomes much better across all scenes. When the process is finished, you can preview each character's voice.
Get behind the cart. Don't move.
And if something doesn't sound right, you can simply tell the agent what you want to change. After that, I selected Generate all 16 shots now. At this point, the agent begins the full Seedance 2.0 production process. It generates all 16 video clips using the character references, location references, and voice anchors created earlier. Within just a few minutes, every scene is generated automatically. But that's not all. Once the video clips are finished, the agent also creates music for the film and places everything directly onto the timeline. Now you can review every scene, every voice line, and every music track in one place. This is where I recommend watching the entire project carefully. If you notice a problem in a specific shot, there's no need to restart the whole project. Instead, simply tell the agent what needs to be fixed. For example, I can type regenerate shot 14. The agent will regenerate only that shot and automatically update the timeline with the new version. Because of this, making revisions becomes much faster compared to traditional AI workflows. Once you're happy with all the scenes, it's time for the final polish. Here, you can trim clips, adjust music volume, fine-tune timing, and make any final edits you want. Then, when everything looks good, simply export the project. And just like that, your AI short film is ready.
Dad, can we get that one?
Maybe on the way back. We're just passing through.
Nobody's passing through.
Get behind the cart. Don't move.
What I find most impressive about this workflow is how much of the hard work happens automatically. Instead of managing separate tools for scripting, storyboarding, image generation, video generation, voice creation, music production, and editing, the AI agent handles the entire process through simple conversation. So, as you can see, Flova AI allows you to turn a simple idea into a complete cinematic short film using just a single prompt. Plans currently start at around $19 per month, making it a much more affordable option. And if you use my link, you'll receive 200 credits immediately after signing up, plus an additional 200 credits every week when you log in. They currently offer up to 54% off yearly plans, making it a great option if you're planning to create AI films regularly. If you'd like to try Flova AI for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.